Today we're going to be talking about viewing the distribution report in HappyFox. In HappyFox, we have a way of viewing many different reports. In order to view those different reports, you'll go up to the main menu and you'll find the reports section. From here, you'll go down the list of all the different reports that we offer and you'll select distribution. As with all of our other reporting, you'll be able to select specific categories or all categories. You'll be able to select your date range. And you'll also be able to filter the types of tickets that you're looking at. Once all that information is selected, you'll then be able to view which status has the most tickets, which category has the most tickets, which priority has the most tickets, and which agent was assigned the most tickets. Below, you'll be able to see how those tickets were distributed amongst your agents, and you'll even be able to change the views in which you see this information. We'll also break down the distribution by priority, the distribution by category, the distribution by status, and even show you the distribution by popular tags. At the very bottom, we'll show you a really awesome timeline of all the different statuses that have happened over the period of time and how are they distributed amongst your tickets. There's a lot of reporting available within HappyFox. If you'd like to learn more about this report or any other of our reports, please feel free to go to our support center and visit support.happyfox.com. Thanks for watching.